In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to order grocery for delivery from Amazon and all the details that I know of that goes along with it. Welcome back. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, that's so sweet. So yes, guys, welcome back to another video straight from our home in Washington DC. I'm so dramatic, I know, but yeah, so we're back home and today we're just gonna do some home activities, right, TJ? Right now he's so miserable. I don't know what's wrong with him. I think he want to go back to sleep, but I did a Amazon grocery order and it's not here yet. It says between 8 and 10, so I hope it gets here soon. So as soon as that gets here and the milk gets here, because I didn't have any milk, so as soon as his milk gets here, I'll give him a bottle of milk and put him to bed. And I think I have some cleaning to do too. All right, guys, so stick around. Okay, guys, our groceries are here, but TJ's tired. He's yawning, so I think he's sleeping. I mean, he's been sleeping. So I'm gonna look through these bags, find the milk, and give him the milk and put him to bed, and then we'll go through and do a little grocery haul. Okay, so remember, I bought milk. It's just whole milk, nothing special, so that won't be in the haul. I'm just gonna look for it right now and give him his milk. Right, TJ? Right, TJ? And over here are our grocery. That's how they package them in Amazon Prime bags. Whole milk for the baby. Okay, TJ's asleep. All right. So guys, what I did realize is that I be doing these Amazon grocery hauls, but I've never like dived into how it's done and so on and so forth. Like, if you want to do a grocery, buy grocery on Amazon for yourself, how you go about it, what's the time, how long they take to deliver it, you know, all the information. One of my subscribers watched one of my videos the other day, and she messaged me asking me all these questions, and then that gives me the idea, like, ding, 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 I should be more in-depth, detailed in one of these videos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to order grocery for delivery from Amazon and all the details that I know of that goes along with it. So with that being said, my groceries are here, but last night after I made the delivery, and that's the thing, I didn't think about it last night, what I'm saying now. I know that I thought about it the other day when she mentioned it, but I didn't think about it last night. So the groceries are here, but after I made that grocery order last night, I remember that, oh my God, I forgot a few stuff. So I'm gonna take the opportunity now to walk through, do a screen record, and show you guys how it's done, and so I can answer any question that you may have, and you can do it for yourself if needs be, because trust me, when she did it, she was like, oh my God, I can get used to this. And I'm like, exactly, you know, it's so convenient. As I say, half of the time nowadays, because Shama is in school, it's literally just me and TJ, so it is so convenient just to pop on here, order my grocery, bing bing bing, it's at my door. So let's get into it. So here we are on the Amazon storefront, right? And all you have to do is go right here that says grocery. You have Amazon Fresh and you have Whole Food. I've never really used Whole Food, even though it's the same thing, you know, it's coming from the same place, because as you know, Whole Food is a part of Amazon, so they're both the same thing. So I click on Amazon Fresh, and here you are. They also give you, like, this is my previous order, so they keep it at the top, so you know, if I want to buy the same thing that I bought before, I can buy it again, because they just have it here. I bought those last night, so I won't buy it again. So now I'm looking for, what did I say I was going to look for just now? I just remembered and I forgot. Ketchup. I'm out of ketchup, so I'm gonna buy a ketchup right here. So I'm typing in. Whew. Yeah, so this is the ketchup I use. $1, $2, so this is the big one. I like the big one because they last longer. Duh. So I need a ketchup. Oh shit, then I didn't get one coupon to use, John. I got this coupon the other day that I totally forgot about. But if your order is over $35, I don't know if it's right across the board, but I think you get free shipping. So as you can see, whenever you put it in your cart, put something in your cart, you can see it right here. It says 1 in cart, so if you continue click on it, you can buy 2, 3, and you'll see it at the top right here that says 1 in cart. So guys, this is funny. This is legit how it is. You know, they call it, I think I heard of it there, they call it cart thief or something like that. So when I put these Hawaiian rolls in my cart, they were available. I know literally they're sold out. So it's in my cart and it's not available anymore. That's so funny. So I'm gonna go with this because TJ loved these. He loved the rolls. I think it's the same taste. I hope it's the same taste. So I'm gonna go with 2 of these. Add another one. So that's funny. They literally snatched it out of my cart. So right here just have corned beef because we like to, that's the thing, we like this bread with the corned beef, chamoy and that. So I bought 2 corned beef. I bought the mini sodas and the ketchup and the bread. And right now my total is at $28, $28.94. So I want to add a couple more stuff so that I can bring it up to $35. Oh, I did not buy any grapes this morning, so I probably should add a grape to it. Yeah, so it's now at 33. So one more item will get it there. I'm gonna buy one of these for the sake of it. I've never tried these, or I don't know if I have, but I'm gonna buy one of these. So yeah, I'm gonna buy one of those and then that's it. So it should take it over. See, it's now $37.80. So now we're gonna check out. Now we're gonna check out and they're gonna try to show you, give you other stuff to buy. So they're gonna say, before you check out, did you forget? And they're showing you other stuff, but no, we're just gonna continue. Oh, they're funny. That's just marketing. That's how it's done. That's the right way. So here I'm gonna blur out my address. So yes, it's being delivered to this address, and so below it you can see this is the interesting part, the important part. My address is not important. This is the important part. So you see the different time slots. So you see, I know can get the rest of the stuff that I'm ordering now. 2 to 4, 4 to 8 to 6, and you can choose. So of course I'm gonna choose the earliest one, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna hit continue, and then you can put in your payment option that you want right here. You can choose your payment option. I'm gonna choose mine, and then I have a discount code, so I'm gonna put it in too. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So now we're at $27.80 and I ain't mad. So now I'm gonna place my order. And that's it. It says, thank you, your Amazon fresh order has been placed, and it's gonna be delivered between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. today. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Yes guys, so it is as simple as that. And if you live at an apartment, you don't have to worry. They're gonna bring it right to your door, literally right at your door. And as for like houses, I guess they'll leave it on your front porch, but there's a part there where you can put instructions, like delivery instructions, so you can say knock on the door or ring the doorbell, or you know, so that they don't just literally leave it. They'll leave it there, trust me. They've left it here before, but because I'm so close to my door, like literally my office is literally by the door, so I can hear when the bags are rumbling when they're putting down stuff, so I always catch it. But say my apartment set up different and my living room was like further from the door, you know, it will be hard for you to know, so your stuff will just be sitting there. So you can, there's a part where you can put in the delivery instructions for them, so they knock or they ring the doorbell or they call, they can also call, so just stuff like that. So very convenient. I hope you use it. Okay, so being that TJ went to sleep, we're now going to pack out these groceries. Let me throw away this. I think I buy onion. This one is growing. Look at this. I can plant it, but I don't want to, so I'm just gonna throw it out. But I made sure to buy some onions today, and I'm hungry, so I need to pack these away and make breakfast before TJ get up. I need some tea. Like from I left here, I did not drink any tea. I don't know if probably my aunts aren't into tea or whatever, I don't know, but I drank ew, this is nasty. I drank a tea bag, which I did not like. It was ginger, but it was weak, you know. I guess that's how they made that one, so I didn't enjoy that. And you know, I'm a tea person. I drink my tea every morning, so that was kind of different for me. So I'm just dying right now to make me a cup of Milo, make me some breakfast, and dig in. I think I'm gonna do some eggs. Okay guys, so in order to use Amazon Fresh, you have to be a Prime member, and free 2-hour delivery on orders over $35. That's what I'm looking at right here. So what I did, because this information wasn't available to me because I use it over and over, and because I'm a Prime member, so what I did was open an incognito window and go on there to see the information for somebody who is not signed in and whatever. So it gives me all the information. So it's free 2-hour delivery on orders over $35 with Prime, and you have to be a Prime member to use Amazon Fresh. There you go. I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna make breakfast now. I am starving. I feel my tummy rumbling, so I'm gonna make some food. Alright guys, so the rest of my grocery just arrived, so I'm gonna go through this real fast. You guys saw what I ordered because I did this one with you guys, so I don't need to like go in details. So we got the Hawaiian bread, the sweet bread. TJ loved this. Didn't get the rolls this time, but it's okay. We got the what is it? Yoo-hoo? Yoo-hoo! We got the Yoo-hoo. I don't remember ordering more of this. Maybe. I don't know. I don't remember though. Another one. And the ketchup. And in the other bag, we have our grapes that I ordered. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you give, I mean, if you need the convenience, if you're the type of person who don't want people to choose your stuff, because I know there are a lot of people out there like that. You want to pick up your stuff yourself, you want to spin it around, look at it and whatever, then this might not be for you. But I like that too. I like to choose my own stuff myself, but the convenience with the baby is perfect, so that's why I do it. But anyways, give it a try. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you share this video with someone that you think would appreciate it, somebody that is sick. So if they're sick and they can't get out to the grocery store, it's helpful. If they have kids and they can't get out to the grocery store, it is helpful. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, okay? Not sponsored. I'm just like giving information to help somebody, okay? All right, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Right, TJ?